Hi everyone, my name is Jen, and in this video, let's get started with MySQL. Basically, MySQL is a relational database management system. So, in order to install the MySQL, first of all, you have to open your browser and search MySQL in the Google. Then you choose the MySQL Community Downloads, and you choose the MySQL installer for Windows. And choose the one in the below, and you choose this one to start your download. And you can see that the MySQL installer is downloading now. After several minutes, you can check that your download is finished, and please open it. And you can see a installer page. And here you choose the custom and go to the next. Here, if you can see something in the right, just clear all of them and choose MySQL Server 8.023, and in the application you choose MySQL Workbench and choose the same version as MySQL Server. Okay, then go to the next. Then you click the execute and it will install server and workbench for you. When it is done, you click the next, and do not change anything here and go to the next, and next again, and you will see a page that you can set your password. So please set your password and click the next, and next again, and please do not change anything here and press execute. When all the steps are done, you can see finish button. You click it and go to the next, and you click the finish. Yes, your installation is finished. And if you open the MySQL Workbench, you can see the following pages. And you click the local instance here. And there is a small window popped out. You can write your password that you set in your installation. And let's create a schema. So there are several buttons in the top. So you click the create a schema button and create a name for your schema. Here I will use my schema and click apply and apply again, and you click finish. Then you can see that my schema is created in the left. Let's set this one as default, and let's create a new table. Right click the mouse in the table and create a table. And let's name it as a student info, and I will also create several rows for this table. First is student ID, and this is the int type, and so I will create the student name, which is the character type. Okay, then we click the apply. Then you can see several SQL code is generated. So it means you can also write this code to generate this table. So I just clicked apply and finished. So the table is generated now. Let's try to write some SQL code now. Click the query tabs here. And there are some codes that are already written, and I will delete all of them. And now let's write some SQL code. Select or from student info. Then you click the run. You can see a table below, but it is empty, right? Because we didn't add any entries in this table. So let's add some entries now. Right click on the table and send to SQL editor, and insert statement. Then you can see that the insert statement is generated here, and you just change the values here. Let's say the student ID is 1 and the student name is A, and I will execute it. And to check the result, we have to write a new query, which is the same as the first one. We just copy paste it and we run it. Yes, you can check that new row is added with 1 and 8. And in order to add more entries, you just copy paste the insert statement and just add more entries here, like 2B, 3C, 3C. And you execute it, and same as last time, just copy paste the select all query, and if you run it, you can see that 3 rows are in the table. Now let's try some query with the condition. Okay, if you want to query the table with the conditions, you can write like this. Select or from student info, and let's say where student ID is bigger than 1. Okay, then we run it. You can see that rows only with student ID bigger than 1 is printed out. So like this, you can also write some other conditions as well. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.